Thought I'd show you one of my favorite meals. I start out with a pound of grass-fed beef from my farmer, fried up in coconut oil. I won't completely fry it. I'll let it go a little longer, then I'll add water to it. And this is the seasonings I add. Rainbow peppercorns, Himalayan pink sea salt, turmeric, thyme, garlic powder, 21 seasoning salute, red pepper, oregano, and basil. I'm starting to cut up my sweet potatoes and my red potatoes. Everything's organic. These are all from Trader Joe's. Well, the carrots are from, and the celery, they're from Harris Teeter, but they're organic. I got an organic green bell pepper, an organic sweet onion, organic zucchini squash, some organic baby Bella mushrooms. There's the rest of the taters. And I'll get some water out of the Alexa Pure, about 3 cups. And I'm going to combine all that. First I'll add the water, then the potatoes and carrots, the celery, then a little later I'll add the peppers and the onions, the mushrooms, and the last thing I'll add is that. Then I'll add, hold on, about a half a package of organic foursome vegetable medley, and maybe some broccoli. And that's one of my favorite meals, and I'll be eating this today, tomorrow, most of the week. So the whole week I'll use 1 pound of ground beef. And I got some chicken breasts cooking up for sandwiches for work. So that's what I eat today and most of the rest of the week.